So here we have using fuiste tú. Fuiste tú is it was you. So for example, the first one says it was you. It was you. In Spanish, you say fuiste tú. Fuiste tú. Next, you did it. You did it. You say lo hiciste tú. Lo hiciste tú. Next, you started it. You started it. You say tú lo comenzaste. Tú lo comenzaste. Next, you caused it. You caused it. You say tú lo causaste. Tú lo causaste. Next, you led it. You led it. You say tú lo lideraste. Tú lo lideraste. Next, you began it. You began it. You say tú lo empezaste. Tú lo empezaste. Next, you sparked it. You sparked it. You say tú lo encendiste. Tú lo encendiste. Next, you ignited it. You ignited it. You say tú lo prendiste. Tú lo prendiste. Next, you set it off. You set it off. You say tú lo desencadenaste. Tú lo desencadenaste. Next, you initiated it. You initiated it. You say tú lo iniciaste. Tú lo iniciaste. Next, you kicked it off. You kicked it off. You say tú lo iniciaste. Same thing. Next, you brought it. You brought it. You say tú lo trajiste. Tú lo trajiste. Next, you made it. You made it. You say tú lo hiciste. Tú lo hiciste. Next, you started this. You started this. You say tú empezaste esto. Tú empezaste esto. Next, you caused this. You caused this. You say tú causaste esto. Tú causaste esto. Next, you began that. You began that. You say tú empezaste eso. Tú empezaste eso. Next, you did that. You did that. You say tú lo hiciste. Tú lo hiciste. Next, you started everything. You started everything. You say tú comenzaste todo. Tú comenzaste todo. Next, you initiated. You ignited the fire. You ignited the fire. You say tú prendiste el fuego. Tú prendiste el fuego. Next, you set the stage. You set the stage. You say tú preparaste el escenario. Tú preparaste el escenario. Next, you made the move. You made the move. You say tú diste el paso. Tú diste el paso. Next, you began the journey. You began the journey. You say tú empezaste el viaje. Tú empezaste el viaje. Next, you lit the fuse. You lit the fuse. You say tú prendiste la mecha. Tú prendiste la mecha. Next, you led the way. You led the way. You say tú lideraste el camino. Tú lideraste el camino. Next, you took the lead. You took the lead. You say tú tomaste la delantera. Tú tomaste la delantera. Next, you started the cycle. You started the cycle. You say tú comenzaste el ciclo. Tú, you, comenzaste, started, el ciclo, the cycle. Next, you initiated action. You initiated action. You say, tú iniciaste acción. Tú iniciaste acción. Next, you started the trend. You started the trend. You say, tú iniciaste tendencia. Tú iniciaste tendencia. Next, you led the charge. You led the charge. You say, tú lideraste la carga. Tú lideraste la carga. Next, you made the choice. You made the choice. You say, tú hiciste la elección. Tú hiciste la elección. Next, you began the process. You began the process. You say, tú empezaste el proceso. So you say, tú began, empezaste the process, el proceso. Next, you initiated the move. You initiated the move. You say, tú iniciaste el movimiento. Tú iniciaste el movimiento. Next, you made the call. You made the call. You say, tú hiciste la llamada. Tú hiciste la llamada. Next, you started the shift. You started the shift. You say, tú iniciaste el cambio. Tú iniciaste el cambio. Next, you kicked it. You kicked it. You say, tú lo pateaste. Tú, you kicked it. Lo pateaste.